So let's first go to discuss about how to earn using YouTube ads. So ano ba yung YouTube ads? Ito yung makikita natin sa YouTube na gusto natin skip ad lagi. So lately, last year I think, nag-start ako ng mag-ads advertise sa YouTube. Pero bumalik ako na-stop siya kasi nga it's not converting well. Pero last November, nag-start ako to create, start of November, nag-create ako ng YouTube ads, and then it's actually doing well kasi may mga videos ako, at saka yung video na ginamit ko sa Facebook, in-advertise ko din sa YouTube. Okay? So ito yung actual na performance ng YouTube ads. Actually guys, if you want to create YouTube ads, you are going to go to Google, no? Google Ads ang tawag dyan, hindi siya YouTube ads. Ito yung Crystal na video na ginawa namin. Ito yung video natin sa Facebook. As you can see, marami siyang clicks, no? Sa 1,800 na cost natin from November 5 to 12, mayroon tayong conversion na 124. The conversion, it doesn't mean na purchase talaga. Ang conversion dito is add to carts. Nag-add sila ng cart, nag-add sila ng payment information, so kasama na yan sa conversion. And the other one is a YouTube ads. We started last November 5. As you can see, bumaba siya kasi naubusan to ng funds. So kailangan natin siya balikan. So anyway, ito yung naging cost niya, tapos may 94 conversion. So nakita ko dito guys, kasi nag-test lang ako na mas effective yung ads yung meron talagang video na ginawa ng friend ko. Unlike dito sa video na ginawa namin, it's just kung makita nyo, click natin, preview natin yung ad. Okay, ito yung YouTube ads na makita natin, diba, sa mobile. And let's try to preview the ad. Ito yung YouTube ads niya. Yan. Yan ang preview niya. Ito, kasali din yan. Okay, yan ang preview niya. Yan ang YouTube ads niya. And the other one, yung isa, video ad. Ito din siya.
Gusto mo bang matuto kung paano ba maging isang virtual assistant or online freelancer? Gusto mo bang malaman kung paano ba kikita online while working at home? At Home Connect, we can provide you with training to help you jumpstart your career as a virtual assistant or online freelancer.
So, yan. Example ng YouTube ads yan, guys. Okay? Okay, so, basically, ito yung naging performance niya. 124 conversion. Sa ad spend natin yan, 1,800 lang. So, marami siyang marami din siyang conversion sa nagawa natin na YouTube ads. And then, paano ba tayo gagawa ng YouTube ads? First is, we are going to go sa ating Google Ads. And then, very basic lang ito. Save din, set up natin ng Facebook page. So, all you do is go to Google Ads. Let's say, for example, here. Type natin dyan, Google Ads. Boom. Okay, ito na yun, guys. And then, sign up. And then, get started. So, yun. Pero dapat may may sariling website ka dito guys. Hindi ka makakapag-run ng Google Ads kung wala kang website, no? Kailangan kasi matitrace natin yung conversion niya, okay? So, kung wala kang website, hindi ka pwede makarun dito guys. I think pwede, pero usually talaga yung alam ko is mag-create ka ng website, okay? And kailangan mo rin ng YouTube account, okay? Once you're done signing up sa Google Ads, pag may website ka, ito na yung lalabas, okay? And dapat naka-sign in din to sa YouTube mo kasi yung mga videos natin dito is dapat uploaded sa YouTube account mo. Okay? So, how are you going to create YouTube ads? Napakadali lang po. Create new campaign. Click mo yan, new campaign na yan. Yun, create campaign. Usually, ito yung gusto ko. Yung may sales. Same din sa Facebook. Sales, leads, website traffic, product or brand, local store visit, app promotion, brand awareness din. Same sa Facebook. Usually sa akin, same lang. And then, click na rin continue. And then, video. Okay, video. Ito yung sa YouTube, guys. Okay. And then click continue. And make sure na yung yung video mo is already uploaded sa YouTube account ng Google, no? Example, ito yung email ko. Meaning, ito rin yung account na gagamitin natin sa YouTube. Okay? Let's type this one, campaign, Jake test campaign. Okay? Usually, hindi na ako nag-sasandan. Bid conversion, hindi na ako hindi ko na siya gagalawin yan. Required natin to like 1,000 daily. Or let's say 300 tayo na 300. Okay, Philippines, language, all languages. Hindi ko ginagalaw diyan. Inventory type, hindi ka rin. Kasi usually, may nabasa ko na mas effective yung Google Ads kung wala kang gagalawin dito. Ad group, ito yung ad set, parang ad set natin. Dito tayo gagalaw. Okay? Same, I'm not going to touch that. Pero dito sa audience segmentation, ito yung parang interest no sa Facebook. Okay? May nakalagay dyan mga tao dyan, suggestions. But let's try to go with money. Okay? Currency exchange, boom. Click na rin yan. Okay, ito yung audiences niya. Same din sa Facebook, actually. And once that's done, you are going to add your YouTube channel. Ito yung ginamit ko, guys. Okay? Kailangan naka-open din yung YouTube mo. So, open ang YouTube natin. Ay, hindi. Boss Chick TV pala to. Okay. So, ito yung tapos, punta tayo dito sa ating YouTube studio. Kasi dito natin kukunin yung ating. Okay? Then, punta tayo sa content. And then, ito na, guys. Unlisted. Naka-unlisted lang dapat, hindi siya live. Okay? Then, copy natin yung link. And then, go back here sa ating Google Ads. And then, click na rin do. And then, there you have it. Okay? May Google Ads ka na. YouTube Ads. Okay? Final URL. Homebase Connect. Alam ko naman yung URL ko. Homebaseconnect.com. Course. Boom. Hindi ko nagagalawin yan. Dito, purchase. Shop now. Shop yan. Ang headline is Virtual Assistant Course. VA kasi maliit lang to. VA course 199. Huwag kayong lagay ng punctuation mark o ito kasi hindi siya mag-work. Ma-disapprove yan siya. Long term, learn how to become a virtual assistant today. Yan. Alright? Okay? Then, join. Description niya, same din sa Facebook. Join other 40,000 plus. 40,000 plus students today. Boom. Ad name. Video ad. And then guys, ganun kadali. May Google Ads ka na. It just maybe around 5 minutes lang. Okay? And then once you're done, click mo yung create campaign and there you have it, guys. Okay? Ganun kadali lang magawa ng Google Ads. Effective tong Google Ads sa YouTube Ads kasi sometimes hindi gagana yung Facebook mo. At least may Google Ads ka or YouTube Ads. Okay? That's how easy it is to make your first YouTube Ads or Google Ads. Okay guys? So, that's it for this video. See you sa next video natin, guys. God bless.